In today's video, we're going to be hiking to the Florida Trail to cook up a nice warm meal. But first, we have to start the hike inside the Jonathan Dickinson State Park, which is just outside of Jupiter, Florida. Along the trail, we encounter beautiful scenery, lots of pine trees, and I just couldn't resist the urge to take as many photos as possible. Alright, we're probably like half a mile into the trail and don't really know where I'm headed. I don't know exactly where this trail goes and all the turns and whatnot. I mean, I've never been to this park. This is, by the way, Jonathan Dickinson State Park over in Jupiter. So we're about 2 hours away from home. God damn it. Which way should I go, left or right? Left has a cool little bridge. Right, well, I don't know. Looks pretty cool going through all of the trees, but I think I'm gonna go left because the bridge catches my attention. Let's hope I don't regret this. Yeah, it just overlooks the water. I'm still gonna go left. But let's check this out. This right here is the Loxahatchee. I hope I'm saying that right. The Loxahatchee River, which goes through this park, which is pretty cool. If I brighten this up, pick like a little leaf from here and you'll see it's being carried. You can see the river moving. What do you guys think? Do we set up shop and cook some ramen here, or should we continue? That answer would be no. And so nearby we were faced with a caution sign that said, "You are no longer on the nature trail." Unaffected by that, we kept on hiking, going forward to find a nice little spot to set the stove and cook our meal. Along the way, we came across this red sign that just did not make sense. Normally it tells you what is in that direction it's pointing in, but this one was just red. We also found some off-road tire markings on the trail, which I was a bit skeptical of. This will be the direction we're heading. This is a mystery, and this is intriguing because I think the river is that way. So if I'm not mistaken, we should have a spot to cook over here. Just anything to set my stove on top. I mean, there's literally nobody on this trail, so if someone's there, then we're gonna have to cook somewhere else. Well, there's water here, so that leads me to believe shouldn't be too hard to spot a gator. See ripples in the water. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's not get distracted. I'm hearing things now. The big problem with this is where there's water, there's pesky mosquitoes, and they're already attacking me. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the portion that intersects with the Florida Trail. For those of you that don't know, the Florida Trail cuts through Miami-Dade County, Big Cypress National Preserve specifically, and heads all the way north through most of Florida. So it's a trail that you can actually hike if you want to see most of Florida on the nature side, because you're not gonna really, it's not like a vacation thing. It's people set out months to hike this trail. So it's pretty cool that we get to see the part that it cuts through. I'm hearing a bug that sounds like a damn taser. Here goes that bug again. All right. Okay, so we've got water starting to boil. We've got our ramen, plenty of water. Got to do the dishes afterwards, so we need to save some water. Here's my bowl. And obviously, we've got beautiful scenery to eat some noodles. Alright, looks like our noodles are coming out just fine. Give it a little stir. Alright, fire's off. Our noodles are nice and soft. Ooh, that is a little hot. We are now going to make room to, honestly, I might just eat it out of here. It's way too hot to start, trying to transfer, especially this right here is pretty hot. But we've done it. We have cooked ramen in the middle of nowhere. Alright guys, it is currently 12 o'clock, so just had lunch. As you guys saw, I had a good experience cooking on this grill. This is the Coleman. It's like 25 bucks. It's one of those portable things. And this isn't a sponsorship. There's no way in hell they're sponsoring me. I genuinely enjoyed it. I don't cook outside. I've never cooked outside. This was the first time for me. And honestly, it was so simple. Just put the little butane tank in, lock it into place, turn it on, put the pot on top with water, let it boil, put the ramen, and it's so simple. It's literally just like cooking at home, nothing complicated. And it all fit in my backpack, so I'd say that's a win. Whatever you bring in, you carry out. That includes all of your trash. Just finished the hike, and now we're about to walk on up to the Hobe Mountain Tower, which is basically a sand dune that rises 86 feet above sea level. I mean, I literally just started and the views look pretty nice. Still can't see the ocean. I think you can at the very top. Let's keep going. You can see the tower just over these bushes. It's just 10 minutes. I think we can cut it in half. It's only been like 2 minutes. We're almost there. Ooh, this is pretty high. Oh my God, I can see the ocean. Holy crap. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty scary. Especially on a wooden platform like this. So over there in the distance is the Atlantic Ocean. To our north is Orlando. West, the sun is out there somewhere. Pretty overcast. And south on that way. Whew, I am out of breath. So there we have it, guys. I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, this hike was very fun. Food is pretty good for, you know, it being made outdoors. And we ended it here at this beautiful, beautiful site. 360-degree view of the entire park, the landscapes, the ocean. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.